Righty. I don't know if I'm going to make this a whole new video or a video by itself, or I'm just going to add this into the other video of what we're doing, but... Gummies. These are the ones I got. They seem pretty all good. I don't know, I just talked to some lady in the shop, and she said that this is what you want if you're daily smoker, you smoke heaps. Apparently you only need one, and one gummy's like 50 milligrams. So there's like 200 milligrams in this whole thing. So let's see what Ravdog, if he enjoys it. I don't know. I've had lots of edits before, but never actually never actually properly been like, hold it, I'm destroyed on this shit. I just wake up in the morning like, wow, had the meanest night's sleep. That's what it looks like. Okay. Oh, let's give it a go. Okay. It tastes pretty good. I guess I'll just update you every hour for the next 8 hours. Woo. Hour 1. What time is it? Like 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
I'll update you later on. It's done? Sorted? That's what we're doing? Yeah? That's what we're doing? Is this what we're doing? Yeah. Alright, well, it's like 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like 4 hours later. Ravdog, the movie was a bit funny, but she's keen to do nothing for her birthday. She slept half a day, so just eat the rest of these things and hopefully, I don't know. I just really want to get up off something I can eat, you know, like just never having it before, and yeah. So she said to just take one each, but it's fucking, I don't know, it's 200 milligrams of the whole thing, so I mean, fucking, surely if I take 150, I don't know, we'll just fuck, I don't know, we're just gonna take one each and then see if what happens. I don't know.
You make me sound like such a...
I don't fucking know.
Oh.
Whoa.
You've been recording this whole thing.
Some of it, yeah. Yeah, you gotta take it on camera. Just take it from my hand. Wow! Oh, wait. Cheers. It tastes pretty good. It tastes pretty good.
That's pretty fucking good.
Can you just focus on me, cuz? Can you do both of us, or... No? I'll go.
No, it is though.
No, I look fucking blurry as fuck, and now you're blurry as fuck. Strange. I don't know, I'm still really confused because, oh, Jesus. I was looking at these other gummies, right? And she said, no, that's just all CBD. If you want to get stoned, you have these ones. Alright, and I started with those, yeah? Like HHC, I don't know if that is, whatever, 200 milligrams, cool. And you come back here, alright? Come back here, and it says, what does that say? THC free. Like, what? Isn't the THC is what gets me stony? I don't know. Like, what?
Crack or what?
Full THC free. What? Ingredients. Organic. Hemp. I don't know. But she said for what someone that's she's for someone that's a big stoner, these would be good for you. You take these and be sweet. One each, boom.
Like these are the
these are the wings. Yeah, these are the ones that'll get you fucking going, and then
this is THC free.
yeah, like I'm just real confused on that part. Like that makes no sense. Like we should probably search up what HHC means. Maybe that's like
even better.
the I don't know. Maybe like the THC is just a part of the plant matter. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, that's the update. I'll let you know what we get up to, or if Ravdog feels anything. But alright, we just finished it because I don't know. It seems stupid just leaving one in there. But I don't know. We've done some researching, and apparently it's got no THC in it because it's like chemically made. They've like whatever THC is, they've like chemically made something that does the exact same effects, does the same thing, but it's not from the weed. I don't know. Apparently, it pretty much said that like 50 milligrams is like heaps. Like a beginner should only have like 5 milligrams to like 10 milligrams. So, I mean, I've had like fucking 130. So, hopefully, I can't walk in an hour. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyway, new day! Ooh, what was that?
Fucking bee.
Wow! Today's little plan is hopefully gonna go look at a car. Hopefully gonna look at a car. Hopefully gonna get a fucking car. Little Mazda Demio for like 500 euros. So it's like 900 bucks pretty much, 950 bucks. Which is pretty good, eh? Like it looks pretty mint. It's a little thing on the front fender. Like, everything else is pretty but rough, like all the same ones, or whatever. But I reckon it should be a pretty good deal. So we're gonna train to this train station. We're gonna walk to the train station and then train to wow, no language this morning.
Take a train to Utrecht.
Yeah, we're gonna take a train to Utrecht,
yep.
And then head on over to yeah, I don't know, whatever. Well, and then they're gonna pick us up on the train station. I don't know. I'll just update you.
It's pretty fucking windy, eh?
It is though. It is. Saying of the week is remember never I cannot do this. Never act on someone else's opinion. And what I mean by that is your loved ones, even around you, is gonna have all the best opinions, whatever. Yeah. Just fucking don't act on them. Listen to them. I can't speak. I'll do this in the afternoon. Just to say thank you to the lady that stopped on the moped. If you see this video, really appreciate that. That's fucking cool as. Yeah, hope you guys have a lovely day. So just got off in Amsterdam. Ooh, these fellas, they're bullshit. I'm gonna get some food because I'm actually starving. And then I'll update you probably when we get back on the train or what kind of food I get. You just like come to these things, look what food you want. It's like hamburger, chicken burger, there's like these little things.
Maybe we should try something.
These look pretty yummy. These little cheese things look pretty yummy. Kia, surprise me. Surprise me. These things look pretty good. Those things look, these things, whatever that is, they look pretty good. Looks pretty mean.
You too? What do you want?
I don't know. What is that?
I think it's cheese.
No, it looks pretty good. I don't know. Or like, chicken stick looks pretty good. I don't know. What do you reckon?
Shoot up.
Yeah, chicken stick. Get that thing. Get that thing. Get that thing. Get that thing. Bang, cuz. Bring it in. How cool is that shit? Like, why don't we have this shit in New Zealand? I'd use the bit of that. I'd use and abuse that. Alright, let's get some more cheese and get the next train. Alright, so what is this thing? Amsterdam. Alright, so we are now. It's like 7-minute train now. And then you should be going to see this car, see what's like. Alrighty, so we're just, I don't know, we're in the actual place now. So she's going to pick us up from here and go look at the car, or she's going to come with the car. And I'll let you know though. It is a lot more dodgy than I thought it was, eh? Like having to be on the. I was like, what's this bitch doing? Like, anyway, there's the car. There's the car. I just took him a drive. It seems sweet. It seems right. Nothing's leaking or anything. The axles don't make any noises. The back shock's a bit hay going, but like the gearboxes move, any of that stuff. It seems right. But apparently we need to I got the papers for the car. Then we can go put the car in our name, and then once it's in our name, then we can have the car and yeah. And once it's in our name, then we can put it up. It's alright. It's okay. So hopefully by tomorrow or the next day. Alrighty, just gonna go get some pizza. I guess I probably could make this a whole another video trying this pizza, but probably should have. Probably not going to. I don't know. Yeah, but the plan is can't get it'll sorted online or whatever. So tomorrow, hopefully, gonna go with the auto to the post shop and get that all sorted. And then once it's in our name, then we can come pick up the car. Pretty keen, pretty fucking keen. Right. Well, first an impression. 12.50 euros. Like, cuz what? Cuz I know I got big hands in that, but cuz what is that? Cuz. Ravdog was like, alright, we'll go get a pizza, save a bit of money and actually get full. Better be fucking good, eh? Like, fuck's sake, eh? Could eat the whole fucking thing in 3 bites. You do a 3-bite challenge. I don't know, I really care, it's food. Alright, shout out to the brother at the Domino shop and to the barber shop. Shout out to the brothers. Yo, so we just had the pizza was actually pretty good, eh? Like, it was definitely like pretty top-notch pizza for Domino's. Like, definitely wasn't Domino's spec like pizza, but still, I don't know about 12 euros. I don't know about 12 euros, but it's alright. At least it wasn't shit. Like, if it was a shite pizza, if it was just normal pizza, then I would have been really upset, but you know, it's alright. Sometimes you gotta pay for the good stuff in life. I don't need to do that though. Yeah, so you probably get the car tomorrow, the next day or something. I'll update you guys. I don't know why I would end it here. I'll probably end it when we get off the train back in Wimbledon. I'll say the same. Wimbledon, whatever.
Oh my god.
I'll get there. Fuck. Alright, we're back in Wimbledon. Probably gonna get a little park up there. Get a couple hot ones and then shoot home. But yeah, pretty much that's our car. We're both taking it off the Facebook and stuff. So it's pretty cool though. Fucking scored a car finally. It only took us like what, like a week of texting 17 million people to finally get someone to come back to us and be like, yeah, straight away. And he was like straight away like, yeah, I can meet you at the fucking, what do you call it, train station, whatever, this is that. Super helpful guy, very nice.
Super fun.
Yeah, he did not like me driving out. He's like, New Zealand? Oh no. He's like, oh no, get insurance, like you can't take the car home till it's in your name, fucking all this shit, like instantly me just goes to drive on the left hand side of the road. He's like, whoa, this side, bro, this side, like the whole time he's putting his head down, like he was not happy. Anyway, I'll update you once we're at the forest. 1% gang. On that 1% gang. Hey. Hello. Hello. Alright, so we're just gonna sit here, have a couple hot ones. But I'll probably end this little episode here. Remember saying of the week is never act on someone else's opinion. So listen to everyone around you, especially your mum, your parents, your loved ones, your friends, whatever. 100% they probably have some pretty good opinions about what you should do and what you shouldn't do. But never act on them. You know what's good for you. So take in what other people say to you as just a precaution, really. Like never act on someone else's opinion. 100% that's got me to where I am today. So have to say those ones. There's probably like 6 of the sayings that really have got me today, and just like, you know, as long as you put your mind to something every day, manifestation is such a real thing. So keep on doing what you want to do, keep on doing you, because it's the best way, baby. Stay you, stay beautiful, stay the fucking way you are. Yeah, not only Ravdogslife, baby. Yeah. I gotta say another quick thank you to everyone that's come up to me today. Like, even if you guys, you know, new listeners, old listeners, anyone that comes up to me and like just asks me about my haircut, asks me of, you know, who I am, and just it's such a good to have conversation with you guys back here. Like, people in Holland are fucking nice, eh? You guys are nice people, I really appreciate it. But yeah, if you guys have ever seen this video and I don't know, it can help us at all, let us know any cool things we can do, because you're actually from here, whatever, I'd much appreciate it. Shoot us DM on Instagram, Ravdogslife, and we on. And everyone, yeah, if you can follow the Instagram, I'll try and put all the updates on there first. Whoa, sup cousin, what up G, got a wasp on me. Yeah, I'll probably try and put all the updates on there so you guys can actually see everything before it gets posted, but